Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to repair pressure plate. Okay, this is the pressure plate of Mahindra Commander Jeep. So now I am placing these pins. Okay, the pins should be in equal level of height, so it's not matching. So now I am removing this and placing another pin. So before going to assemble these pins, apply light grease to eye bolt. So it will give lubrication to these pins to move towards and away from the clutch bearing. Okay. So these are the eye bolts. So now it's ready. You can see here, this is the clutch plate and this is the pressure plate. So let's assemble the cover of pressure plate. Before going to assemble this cover, we have to place the springs according to the marking on the pressure plate. Okay. So now we are going to cover this pressure plate. So apply equilibrium force with this mechanical equipment. So that the pressure plate will be pressed downwards without any inclination. After that, tight these eye bolts with the help of nuts and spanners. And this is the depth gauge. With the help of this depth gauge, we have to adjust these 3 pins at equilibrium height. Okay, if there is no equal height, we have to adjust with the help of this spanner. So in this manner. Okay. Remember that the height of these 3 pins should be in equal. So now it is completed. Let's check how this pressure plate is working. It is working properly or not. Okay. So when we pressed these 3 pins forcefully with the help of this mechanical equipment, then the clutch plate below the pressure plate should be moved freely. Okay, so that we can judge that this pressure plate is working properly. Okay. So if it's not working properly, again we have to readjust the height of the 3 pins. So let's lock these nuts. So now it's completed. So now it is ready to assemble to our vehicle and we can use it. Okay, thanks for watching this video.